Thank you.
Go get it. Is that a salamander?
Where's he going? Okay, let me see your hand. Oh, you dropped him, huh? Oh, we dropped him again.
Whoa, baby.
He's not very coordinated.
He's like Rogers.
What do you think of him? Oh, gentle. Gentle, he doesn't like that.
Okay, we'll stop that before it gets bad.
Before it's the
What
murder
is
of a
that?
lizard.
What is that? Woo! Ha!
Is that a lizard? Is that a lizard? Baby Bob Saget. Baby Saget.
She is fearless.
Should I maybe put him outside?